All right, boys and girls, this is your writing overview. We are in the week of November 16th through the 20th, and we are still working on that text set about therapy dogs. So the question that we want to focus on this week is, how do I write an informative essay that includes evidence from the text? So you will see that this week looks slightly different. We have a folder labeled Monday through Friday. When I open this folder, you can see that I've broken down each day and the expectation for our writing. So we will have a live meeting on Monday through Thursday, and we have just one discussion board. I feel like on our recent benchmark assessment in writing that the text box portion of that caused a little bit of added stress and confusion. So we're going to practice this week, just going back into one discussion board post and adding in the different pieces. So on Monday, we will talk about the big ideas and we will work to write the introduction. On Tuesday, we're going to jump in and we're going to talk about pulling text evidence, and we're going to write the first body paragraph. On Wednesday, we'll focus really on elaboration and how we can include our own thoughts regarding some of the evidence that we include to write body paragraph 2. And on Thursday, we will focus on the same thing to write body paragraph 3. Finally, on Friday, you guys will write your conclusion, and that'll wrap up the week in writing. Let me know if you have any questions.